For many businesses, missed calls mean missed opportunities, especially after hours or during busy periods. AI Agent Receptionist ensures every call is answered promptly, professionally, and intelligently. It acts as a digital teammate for Elevate and Contact Center. It answers inbound calls with a natural human-like voice, understands what callers are asking for, and takes action, whether that's answering a question, scheduling an appointment, or routing a call to the right person or team. It's easy to set up and works with your existing call flows without replacing them. In just about 10 minutes, you can have it up and running. You choose the voice and tone you want customers to hear, provide basic information about your business, and connect your calendar for scheduling. Built-in guardrails ensure that AI stays on script, answering approved questions and escalating to a live person when needed. When someone calls, AI Agent Receptionist listens for intent.
Hello, you've reached Lakeshore Auto Center. I'm Mary, your virtual agent. Please note this call is being recorded for quality assurance purposes. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm just checking to see if the service department is still open.
It can handle routine questions like business hours and location information.
Our service department is open until 7 p.m. this evening. How can I assist?
Common FAQs.
My car needs an oil change, and I'm just checking to see if you do your oil changes there on site.
Our service center offers oil changes and routine maintenance. Would you like to schedule an appointment?
And appointment scheduling.
My car's ready for its 20,000-mile service appointment. Can I book that with you?
I can help with that. What time works best for you?
AI Agent Receptionist supports appointment scheduling end-to-end, including new bookings, reschedules, and cancellations without manual intervention. And when a live person is needed, it routes the call intelligently to a hunt group, queue, or assigned number.
I just received a recall notice, and I need to talk to somebody about it.
Thanks for calling. I'll transfer you to our service department to assist.
Callers don't need to press buttons or follow rigid menus. They can speak naturally, ask questions, change topics, or make requests. An AI Agent Receptionist responds conversationally, just like a human receptionist would.
I'm looking for a pre-owned, ideally SUV.
Perfect. I'll connect you with a sales specialist who can help with certified pre-owned vehicles.
During business hours, AI Agent Receptionist works alongside other team members, handling routine questions and tasks, and escalating to live staff only when needed. After hours, it still answers every call, providing information, scheduling appointments, or routing callers to voicemail when appropriate. When a call is transferred, your team doesn't start cold. AI Agent Receptionist captures the caller's intent and relevant details, so employees and agents understand why the caller is reaching out right from the start. AI Agent Receptionist helps businesses stay responsive without adding staff. It reduces missed calls, shortens hold times, and handles repetitive requests automatically, allowing live employees and agents to focus on real conversations that require human attention. The impact is simple and immediate. During busy periods or after hours, it's common to miss around 20 calls a day, calls that go to voicemail or get abandoned. If AI Agent Receptionist handles just half of those, that's 10 additional calls answered every day. Over a month, that adds up to 300 more customer conversations without adding staff or extending hours. A call might be a simple question, or it could be a booked appointment. Even conservatively, assigning $50 of value per answered call means 300 additional calls can represent $15,000 a month in captured opportunity, or $180,000 per year. Shorter hold times, fewer abandoned calls, and more opportunities to sell more. All while your team stays focused on higher value work. And this is just the beginning. Today, AI Agent Receptionist handles conversations using approved business information and call handling rules. Over time, new skills can expand what it's able to do, like validating a caller's identity, capturing caller details, retrieving relevant information from connected systems, and handling more complex requests with greater context. AI Agent Receptionist is just one part of how Elevate helps businesses run more intelligently with AI. For live conversations, AI Agent Assist supports employees and agents in real time, providing call context, on-screen guidance, and live transcriptions to help them respond faster and more confidently. And when the call ends, AI Wrap-Up automatically captures key details and next steps, eliminating manual notes so agents can move on faster. For managers, AI Supervisor Assist delivers real-time visibility, surfacing sentiment, conversation summaries, and insights across active calls so supervisors can step in, coach, and ensure consistent service quality. Together, AI agents and AI assistants work alongside your team, handling routine interactions, supporting live conversations, and giving leaders the insight they need to run smarter operations. With Elevate Intelligent Communications, AI Agent Receptionist becomes a reliable first point of contact for your business, answering every call, guiding every customer, and supporting your team around the clock.